Morning, folks. It's a beautiful Sunday morning up here in the mountain. We're going to start our day by taking care of the animals. We got to go feed the chickens, let them out, give the goats some fresh water, let them out of their barn. It is a Sunday morning. It's probably about 55 degrees right now. It's nice and cool. Finally starting to feel like fall. Get some work done outside without having to sweat constantly all the time. So we're going to go take care of the chickens now. They hear me coming. You can hear them. All right. So, coming up to the coop. Hopefully we get a couple eggs today. There goes Hey. She's always the first out. She doesn't hang out with everybody. Good morning, everybody. Well, I see one egg down there. I don't see any in the boxes, though. So, let's go ahead and put a little food in the feeder. Oh, it's almost full from last night. Okay. We're going to reach in and grab that egg. So we got us a nice egg. And then we'll put their water outside. Turn on the water. Grab a bucket for the goats. We'll replace their outside water in the morning. And we do the water in the barn at night. First we gotta get water for the goats, for the chickens rather. Oh, now we'll fill this one. Well, they all look pretty good this morning. Everyone's out there pecking around, cleaning up the ground. That's pretty good. Bucket for the goats. Fill that one up. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's kind of boring. Alright. Get the chicken water set. Now we go put that back in the run for them. Come on, step away from the door. Step away. Thank you. I'm going to set that down right here. There you go, everybody. Have a great morning. All the way, chickie. And there's Hey over there. Hey, it's right there. She's our little bantam. The duck's a little aggressive with her, and she's able to fly. So when we let them out of the coop in the morning, she flies away. All right, coming up to the goat barn with a bucket of water. We'll put that out back for him in a minute. Now we'll do that first. That way we don't have to close the gate while we're in there. That system, originally I just put that block there to hold the gate, but it holds the chain perfect. So we left it there. And let's see. I'll put the new bucket down. And I'll put it over here. And I'll take away the old bucket. Well, they drank some. Alright, close the gate. And now we'll go see the goats. Good morning, babies. Where's the baby goats? Oh, there they are. Okay. How we doing this morning? Hey, Jana, how we doing? And there's Jan over there. Oh, that's a good goat. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, girl. Yes, a good girl. It looks like... Hi, Gina. Oh, that's a good girl. Yes, Zan, you too. You too, Zan. Good goaty goats. Good goats. She is finally warming up to us a little bit. I think they want some hay. You guys want some hay? Huh? There you go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Now they're happy. Happy goats. There they are. Baby goat. Do, baby goat. And there we go. Now we'll open their door up. There you go, baby goats. Yeah, they don't care about me now they get fresh hay. So they're going to sit there and eat their hay. Who knew hay was so crunchy? Okay, kiddos. All right. And that's what we do for morning chores. Dump out the bucket. No point in carrying a filled bucket back over to the house. In a week or two, this area here should all be stumped out for us, and then we can smooth it out and plant some grass or something. Move our fire pit a little closer to the house, not much. And then we're going to have a road that comes down there between the house and the shed. See down there, the road's going to come up along here, come up to the front of the barn, then over that way so we can get to the sawmill, which you can kind of see right there. So hopefully in a couple weeks get all this stumped out. Be a lot easier to walk through, I'll tell you that much. I tell you that for nothing. Good morning again, duckies and chickies, who only gave us one egg. One egg. Get to work. Earn your keep. Jeez. The new ones are doing good. There's one of them there. And there's the other three over there. They're doing well. Right there. So everyone's doing well, fitting in good. We start laying more eggs though. We need more eggs. All right. So we got to drop our bucket off and shut off the water, and that's it for the morning chores. And then I get to go have my coffee. Yay, coffee. Coffee. All right. So that's it for the morning chores I do with the animal. Well, not me. Joey usually does them in the morning. I do it on the weekends. Joey does it during the week because I get up so early for my real job. And then in the afternoon I come home and I take care of them. So that's it for the morning chores. We're going to be later on this afternoon, probably cut some more lumber, and Joey will split some more wood. We'll start stacking in the woodshed. So we'll see you a little bit later.